Okay, you've made it to the end of the course. I hope you've enjoyed the course, and I hope you've learned a lot in the course. So for some of you, this might have been a big struggle, especially if you've never programmed before. But if you think back about what you knew about programming when you started the course and what you know about programming now, then hopefully you'll see you've made great strides forward as you learn how to program to do game development. There's still tons to learn about game programming, so if you want to continue learning in a structured environment, you should move on to the next course in the specialization. But if you feel like this is enough to get you started, then you should just go off and start building games. And you should do that no matter what, right? That's the whole point, is learning enough to build cool stuff. I want to thank you for taking the course. I love doing these courses on Coursera, and it's great to sort of share what I know about game programming with all of you. So thanks for joining me on this journey as we started learning how to do game programming. Cheers.